So somebody asked on one of the videos, is there no other way to make robots, trading robots for free? Definitely no coding skills are required. Definitely no coding skills required, because we all know how hard it can be to learn MQL4, MQL5. Yes, there is. I definitely showed you how you can make robots on FX Streamer, one of the popular EA builders. It's free for MT4, but for MT5 you need to pay something. I showed you also how to make robots on FOREX EA Builder. .com. I think got the website right. Anyway, watch the videos on this channel. So somebody still asked, any other options? Definitely there are more options. For example, if you trade synthetic indices, or if you trade with Deriv the broker. If you trade with Deriv the broker, they actually have what's called the the D bot, where you can actually visually create trading robots. Basically, just turn your strategy into automated trading. So you can see what they say: automate your trading ideas without writing code. And that's definitely what it's about. So if you have a strategy that you think it works on boom and crash, Deriv also can trades. You can also trade crypto. You can also trade forex. You can also trade. Visit the link in the description box below. You can trade a whole lot of assets on Deriv. So these bots don't just work on synthetic indices. Of course, Deriv as a broker is famous for the synthetic indices, boom and crash, volatility 75, and stuff like that. And so basically, it's a free platform to build what your robots, and the robots, like I said, you can use it to trade crypto, to trade synthetic indices, to trade forex, to trade a lot of things. 50 plus assets that you can trade on Deriv. You can create a free robot that you can use to trade these, and they actually give you three pre-built strategies as examples. So basically, it's a visual tool. It's a visual way of creating forex robots. You don't need to learn MQL4, MQL5. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only way that you can motivate me to continue doing these videos for free. Everything sharing with you, everything for free, everything that I know for free. If you're again looking to download robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. So to do these robots on Deriv, the dbot section, there are basically about 5 steps to get these robots running. So first things first, you select an asset. These robots will kind of be specific to an asset. So you first of all select your asset, then you basically set conditions for buying or for selling, and definitely after the traders it take profit or stop loss, you need to set restart conditions so that it starts running again. Then then you run your robot. Then obviously you want to look at stats, whether it's making money or it's not. So 5 easy steps that you can use to create a robot on Deriv. So if you have a strategy that you think is working, you can easily go and turn it into a simple trading system on Deriv. It's going to work, but it's not going to be as complex as MQ04, MQ05 robots. But it's a way to create what? To automate your own trading strategy, and for free without investing 10 months, a year, 2 years, 5 years learning MQL4 or MQL5. And definitely you can start with indicators or styles like martingale, Oscar's grind, Bollinger Bands, SMA crossover, and stuff like that that you can start with. I'm just going taking you through this, and we'll definitely go to the side where you can actually do this. Then you can maximize profits, limit losses. Uh, uh, there is a lot that you can actually accomplish with this simple robot builder that's provided by the Reef. It's for free. And going to the builder, uh, this is the dbot, and it's for free. Uh, if you come here, you can say go to live demo so that you can see if you have what it takes. Got live demo. This is the live demo for building the robots. Definitely, this is, you can set everything up, or this you can import. If you go on Telegram, there are many people who are posting these deriv robots. They will be in XML format. You, if you go on many Telegram groups, so if you find somebody saying their robot works on deriv and it's making them money, and they happen to post the actual robot, you can actually import it here, and you can run it and see if it does make money like they say. Then definitely here it is to save your stuff, undo, redo, sort of stuff, zoom in, zoom out. Some of these things are simple. You can learn them in your own time. So first things will be to set parameters. We said first thing is to set the pair. We said the first thing is to set your asset, the pair. So you can see here, first of all, you simply need to select the market that you are going to be trading. So is it synthetic indices? Is it forex, stock indices, or commodities? For now, in this example, we are going to select synthetic indices. And if you are trading synthetic indices, you already know that they are what's called as continuous indices, and they are what's called let's get the proper term, daily reset and jump indices. The daily reset indices, they they're like they're cyclical. Every 24 hours they reset. Every 24 hours they reset. If you select them, you see it's bear market index, bull market index. Then we have the jump index, of course, the jump index. Then we have the continuous ones, which is volatility. All the volatilities, those are continuous. So that's your trade parameters. Then you are obviously going to want to set whether you're going to be trading up and down, the up and down movement of the price, or the touch of a certain indicator, or what you are going to trade. I think will actually develop a robot to show you a proper example. Now we are just talking. We are just talking about this free, no coding skills required platform that you can actually use to create your own robot. So it's basically just clicking and choosing the things that you want the robot to do. You don't need to type any code, any code for anything here. Now you can set your purchase conditions, you can set your sell conditions, you can then restart trading conditions. If these trades get closed, you either you buy or you sell, You can now tell it to start trading again and stuff like that. After that, obviously, you want to run it and test out things. That's how simple it is with this. And analyze your stuff and see if it actually making money or is a bad idea. I said if you go on Telegram and many people are selling some of these robots and sharing some of these robots, you can simply go and download them and import them on this folder, and you can see whether they are working or whether they are not. Maybe we will, depending on people's feedback, we will actually do a few robots here. And the thing is, we need strategies. We need strategies. So if you have a good strategy that you think is working on VIX, on jump index, on boom and crash, then we can probably come and try and do a robot to trade to automate that strategy, so that you don't have to sit on your charts every hour of the day. Trading needs to be flexible. The thing about trading is you want to have what we call time freedom. That's what trading should be about. Instead of people who, unlike people who are going to be working 9 to 5, glued to their desks, with their boss breathing on top of them. Trading offers the opportunity of you making money in a flexible, relaxed way. So you can be at your desk, you can be at the beach, you can. So what we're saying is you need to enjoy the flexibility of when you can make your money, when you can go and play with your family and things like that. That's why people go and trade. You don't leave your job to come and trade, and you trade 10 hours, 12 hours just sitting at your desk. What's the difference then with somebody who is working at the office? You have just sort of replaced one boss with the other. So automating your strategies is a way of ensuring that you get that flexibility of time. You don't always have to be glued at your charts, glued at your desk, and stuff like that. So we'll look into this, how to automate your trading strategies on Deriv Dbot. And yeah, if you have questions, if you have thoughts, ideas, if you have strategies that you want us to test out, leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, guys, bye.